Before we dive in, just a quick reminder that this video is sponsored by NutriChef. Now imagine enjoying that perfect grilled flavor anytime you want, without the smoke or hassle. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we're diving into the NutriChef Indoor Smokeless Grill, the ultimate kitchen solution for year-round grilling with convenience, healthier cooking, and a modern touch. And guess what? The links to learn more about this incredible product are in the description below. Plus, you'll find exclusive discounts and offers there too, so don't miss out. The NutriChef Indoor Smokeless Grill isn't just a grill, it's a complete kitchen powerhouse. With 7 versatile cooking functions, you can grill, air fry, bake, roast, broil, BBQ, or even dehydrate, all in one compact device. From juicy steaks to perfectly roasted veggies or crispy fries, the possibilities are endless. And for busy families or those in smaller spaces, this appliance is a game changer. Now let's talk about precision cooking. With adjustable temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees C to 450 degrees E and a built-in smart thermometer, you're in full control. Whether you like your steak rare or your fries golden and crispy, you'll get perfect results every time. And yes, it's truly smokeless. Thanks to advanced smoke control and hot air circulation technology, you'll get that authentic grilled flavor without worrying about filling your kitchen with smoke. Perfect for apartments or small kitchens. Cleanup, a total breeze. The removable, non-stick grill plates make maintenance super easy. No scrubbing for hours, just wipe, rinse, and you're done. Ready to create your next masterpiece. Finally, the sleek and compact design of the NutriChef Indoor Smokeless Grill means it fits beautifully into any kitchen space. Whether you're a cooking pro or just starting your culinary journey, this is a must-have. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, check out the links in the description to learn more and grab those exclusive discounts. And hey, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen tips and reviews. See you in the next video.